Hi, today we're going to talk about the back muscles, the upper back and the lower back muscles. So first, let's talk about the upper back muscles here. The largest of them all is called the trapezius muscle. Okay, as you can see here, trapezius is the superficial muscle that encompasses the neck and the upper back area. Below that will be the latissimus dorsi. Inferior to the trapezius muscle is the inferior latissimus dorsi muscle. And then if we dissect the trapezius muscle, you can see here that you have muscles that are found attached to the scapula. You have first the levator scapula muscle there, followed by the rhomboid minor and the rhomboid major. Okay? And then here you have the infraspinatus, which is right below the spine of the scapula. And then below that would be the teres major. Okay? And of course, you can see here too that there is the supraspinatus muscle, which is right above the spine of the scapula. So take note that supraspinatus, infraspinatus, and let me remove the teres major, is the teres minor. Now observe the supraspinatus, infraspinatus, teres minor sit, S-I-T, supraspinatus, infraspinatus, teres minor, together with, now if I remove the infra, is the subscapularis muscle. So all four of them make up your rotator cuff muscles. So supraspinatus, infraspinatus, teres minor, and subscapularis muscle. Okay, so these are important rotator cuff muscles, which you often see when a patient suffers from a rotator cuff injury. These are the muscles involved there. Okay, so again, let's review the muscles of the back. First, you have we're just gonna be dealing with the superficial muscles. You have here the trapezius, latissimus dorsi there, and as we said, there is, if we remove the trapezius, the rhomboids minor, major, and then of course the levator scapula is there. We have the supraspinatus, infraspinatus, teres minor, together with the subscapularis, making up your rotator cuff muscles. Now I believe we already removed the infraspinatus, but we can see it here. Let's remove the there, and then of course it's infraspinatus on that side over there. See, so those are the muscles of the rotator cuff. So these are all muscles of the back, basically the ones that are found in the superficial muscles. Now let's see if we can demonstrate here some muscles that are important. Particularly, I will concentrate myself. Now this is called the serratus posterior inferior. And then if I remove that, I would say the most important muscles are these muscles called the erector spinae, made up of the spinalis. Okay, and then of course you have there the thoracic muscles, the longissimus, and of course iliocrustalis. So from medial to lateral, spinalis, longissimus, and iliocrustalis. That's called the erector spinae muscles. Okay, so we will stop there. I don't want you to get overwhelmed. Those are the muscles of the upper back and the lower back. Okay?